Welcome students. Today we are discuss with you about this Olympiad workbook. Okay. So the first chapter is our body and health. This is your chapter 1, our body and health. First question is the food pipe transport food from the mouth to the stomach. What is the other name for the food pipe? Then the answer will be esophagus. Okay, the answer will be esophagus. Option number C. Next question. Select the incorrect match from the following pairs. Okay, select the incorrect match from the following pairs. Here you can see the pairs. First is pediatrician treats adults only, dentist takes care of our teeth, orthopedist takes care of our bones, and ophthalmologist takes care of our eyes. Okay, then what will be the right option? That is pediatric treats adults only. Okay, all of you know that the pediatric is there for child actually. Okay, they treat children. So here this option is right. Next is which of these can be eaten raw after washing? Okay, which of these eaten raw after washing? The right option is D, carrot. Okay, right option is D, carrot. Next question. The germs form a yellow sticky layer on our teeth when not cleaned properly and harm them. What is this layer called? Here the right option is B. Okay, plaque. PLAQUE, plaque. This is the right option. Next, rice is rich in. What will be the right answer? Here the right answer is option A, carbohydrates. Okay, carbohydrates. Next question. X is the digestive liquid secreted inside our mouth. What is X? Here, what is X? Here the right option is saliva. Option C. Saliva is the right option. Next is which of these human organs can be transplanted? Okay, what will be the right answer here? Here the right answer is all of these: liver, kidney, heart, all of these. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is the longest bone in our body? Which of the following is the longest bone in our body? Here the right option will be option number A, femur. FEMUR, femur. Okay. Next question. Oil, ghee and butter are rich sources of dash. Here the right option is option number A, fats. Okay, option number A, fats. Next, which of the following statements is incorrect? Eat a balanced meal. We should always eat food that is kept in the open. Next, growing children should eat food rich in protein. Next option, eat well cooked food. What will be the right option? Right option is option number B. We should always eat food that is kept in the open. Okay, this will be the right option. Next, which of these is a way of preserving food? Which of these is a way of preserving food. Here the right option will be D. That means all of these. That means freezing, canning, drying is all of these are the way of preserving food. Okay. So the right answer will be option number D, all of these. Next question. Which of these foods gives us the maximum energy and that helps us to stay warm? Okay, here the option is carbohydrates, proteins, fats and minerals. Okay, then the right option is option C, fats. Fats is the right option. Next, the undigested fiber in our food that helps in removing waste from our body is roughage, minerals, bile, saliva. Okay, here the right option is roughage. Next, which of the following is correct regarding the person who is suffering from cardiac problem? Here option A is he is having a problem in his eyes. Next, he is having a problem in his legs. Next, he is having a problem in his heart. And last, he is having a problem in his lung. Then what will be the right option? Here the right option is C. Okay, that means he is having a problem in his heart. So when who is suffering from cardiac problem, that means in heart they have problem. Okay. Next question. Identify the medical equipment shown in the figure. Okay, identify the medical equipment shown in the figure. Identify this. See this picture properly, then identify this. Okay, so here the option is option number D. Okay, so the answer is sphygmomanometer. Okay, sphygmomanometer. Option number D. Next, dehydration is a method of preserving food by dash. Option is adding salt to the food, adding sugar to the food, boiling the food, removing water from the food. Okay, here the right option will be option number D, removing water from the food. Next question. Which of the following is an artificial device used to regulate heartbeat? Okay, regulate heartbeat. Here the right option is option number C, pacemaker. Okay, pacemaker. Pacemaker is an artificial device used to regulate heartbeat. Next question. One who specializes in the treatment of disease of the skin is called dash. Okay, here the answer is dermatologist. Here the answer is option A, dermatologist. Next, what is the outermost part of the tooth called? What is the outermost part of the tooth called? Here the right option is option B, enamel. This is the right option. How many teeth do adult human beings have? Here the option is 20, 26, 32, 42. Here the right answer is 32. Okay, that means 32 teeth an adult human being have. The food that has the right amount of all the nutrients of our body needs is called dash. Here the right answer is B, balanced diet. Okay, balanced diet. Another option is healthy food, fast food, fantastic diet. Okay, but the answer will be balanced diet. Okay, in balanced diets all the nutrients of our body needs. Okay, next is, which of these is a method of cooking? Okay, drying, roasting, gelling, all of this. Here the right option is roasting. ROASTING, roasting. Roasting is the right option. Next, which of these food items is rich in starch, a type of sugar? Option is there: ghee, bread, orange, cucumber. Here the right option is bread. Option number B, bread. Next question, which of the following is an incorrect match? Here the right option is option number B, school, that is nervous system. Okay, this is an incorrect match. Option number B. Last question from this chapter is, a person who smokes damages his or her. Okay, a person who smokes damages his or her dash. Here the option is eyes, lungs, stomach and ears. Here the right option is lungs. Okay, smokes damages his or her lungs. Okay students, so this 25 questions from your first chapter of your Olympiad workbook. In our next class or in our next video, we discuss about chapter 2, plants and animal. Okay, bye, thank you. Okay, before we finished our this class, there a quick recap about this chapter again. Okay, so first question is, the food pipe transport food from the mouth to the stomach. What is the other name of the food pipe? What will be the right option? Option is esophagus. This will be the right option. Okay, next, select the incorrect match from the following pairs. Okay, option is there. So here the right option is option number A, pediatrician treats adults only. Okay, here another is, which of these can be eaten raw after washing? Here the option is option number D, that means carrot. The germs form a yellow sticky layer of our teeth when not cleaned properly and harm them. What is the layer called? That is called enamel. Okay. Sorry, that is called plaque. Next is, rice is the rich in carbohydrates, proteins, mineral and fats. Here the right answer is carbohydrates. Next is, X is the digestive liquid secreted inside our mouth. What is X here? Here X is option C, saliva. Which of these human organs can be transplanted? Here the answer will be all of these. All of these are organs can be transplanted. Which of the following is the longest bone in our body? Here the answer will be A, femur. Next, oil, ghee and butter are rich sources of dash, That is fats. Answer will be fats. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Here the statements is option B. We should always eat food that is kept in the open. Next, which of these is a way of preserving food? Freezing, canning, drying, all of this. Here the right option is all of this. Okay, all of this. Which of these foods gives us maximum energy and helps us to stay warm? Here the right answer will be option number C, fats. Next, the undigested fiber in our body that helps in removing waste from our body is, here the right option is option A. Okay. Next, which of the following is correct regarding the person who is suffering from cardiac problem? Here the answer will be option number C. He is having a problem in his heart. Next, identify the medical equipment shown in the figure. See this picture and identify this. Okay, here the answer will be option number D. Next, dehydration is a method of preserving food by adding salt to the food, adding sugar to the food, boiling the food, removing water from the food. Here the right answer is option number D, removing water from the food. Next, which of the following is an artificial device used to regulate heartbeat? Okay, here the right option is option number C, pacemaker. Next, one who specializes in the treatment of diseases of the skin is called option number A, dermatologist. Next, what is the outermost part of the tooth called? Here the right answer is option number B, enamel. Next, how many teeth do adult human beings have? Here the right option is option number C, 32. The food that has the right amount of all the nutrients our body needs is called option number B, balanced food, balanced diet. Okay, balanced diet. Next, which of this is a method of cooking? Drying, roasting, gelling. Okay, here the right answer is option B, roasting. Which of these food items is rich in starch, a type of sugar? Here the right answer will be option number B, bread. Which of the following is an incorrect match? Here the right answer is skull and nervous system, option number B. Next, a person who smokes damages his or her dash. Here the right answer is option B, lungs. Okay students, so here these 25 questions from your first chapter. In our next chapter we discuss about plants and animals. Okay, bye and thank you.